So let us see how we can calculate the tag time. So for example, customer wants 25,000 pieces within 5 working days. Therefore, we shall calculate the tag time. So let us see. Present available cycle time for completing FG part is 20 seconds. That means in my operations of the line, so I need every 20 second a part comes out, a final part comes out. Okay. So this is a cycle time at present with us. So total production pieces required is 25,000. That is a customer requirement. And target days for the shipping is 5 days. So 5 days is a time to us. So therefore let us calculate the tag time. Tag time is equal to total time available in seconds divided by customer demand in quantity. Okay. Uh, So for total time available in seconds, we can consider number of days that we're working and number of shifts in a day and number of hours per shift and 60 minutes into 60 seconds, because we need to the time that is available we shall calculate for seconds. Therefore, the day we are converting into seconds. Yes. So in that case, 5 days is a given day for us, and 5 days my company runs three shift, first and second and night, and every shift I work for 7 hours, and per hour 60 minutes is available, and 60 seconds is for per hour. So I'm converting the entire days into seconds. So when I divide the quantity that customer demands, I will get 15.12 seconds as a tag time. So if you see our present cycle time, I'm getting a OK part is 20 seconds, but customer needs every 15 seconds OK part has to come out. Only then I can ship the 25,000 quantity within 5 working days. So what I should do now? So I need to find a method to reduce the cycle time where in which process the cycle time is more and reduce it and make it 15 seconds. Or I can add up a extra resource in order to produce a separate line and meet the customer demand. So this is a tag time calculation that we shall do it for customer requirement. So you can do this activity now. So take up your book that you have. Calculate a tag time in a seconds for a customer requirement of 10,000 parts, and the given time is 5 days, 5 working days, and the company runs 21 hours per day, and calculate the cycle time. So you can take as in the above example, 3 shift they will run, and per shift it is 7 hours. It is a standard time. So you can see what is the customer demand in seconds that you need to produce a OK part at the final operation. So next we'll be seeing systems in the shop floor.